everyone, welcome to Catskill Mountain Adventure Vlog. I'm so excited to show you all the places I visited on my 2-day trip. Let's jump in. Day 1. Our first stop is the Catskill Mountain Railroad at Kingston Plaza. Did you know this old train track has been around for over 100 years? We got to pedal along the track and see the beautiful mountains and forests. It felt like we were traveling back in time. Next, we went to the Emerson Kaleidoscope at Mount Tremper. This isn't just any kaleidoscope, it's the biggest one in the world. The kaleidoscope is 56 feet tall. When you look through it, you see amazing patterns and colors that change all the time. It's like stepping into a colorful dream. After that, we visited the Ashokan Reservoir. This giant reservoir is like a huge water playground for nature. Did you know it helps bring clean water to people in the New York City? It covers over 8,000 acres and provides water to millions of people. It's also a great place to see birds and enjoy the peaceful scenery. Day 2. Today our first stop is the Forsyth Nature Center in Kingston. This free nature center is like a mini zoo with cool animals and plants. Then we went to Plum Park in New Windsor. It offers the best views of the Hudson River and it is the perfect for a walk or picnic. Thank you. See you next time.